What's up, guys? So today we're actually on our way to get 4 tires installed. I'm gonna do something a little different today. It's gonna be like a little vlog style video. I'm actually going to a shop since I don't have the tire mounting alignment equipment. I usually do everything myself, but if not, I take it to the shop. So I'm gonna bring you guys along so you can see the shop, how it's done. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know how to get tires mounted and whatnot. You usually go to your favorite shop nearby, whatnot. But like I said, it's a little different style video today, and I'll bring you guys along, and hopefully you guys enjoy the show. All right, guys, so I'm here at the mechanic shop. There's a couple cars ahead of me, but we'll get done today. It's actually on Northwest 9th Street and 27 Ave. Man, well, I've worked on my car since my SRT back in 2015, so they pretty much have worked on all my cars before I actually started working on my own car. So if you need anything done mechanically wise, tire, rotation, mounts, all that stuff, come to them. They'll hook you up. And ask for Steven. That's the shop manager and owner. So hit him up. Yeah, this tire was toast. Has a lot of camber wear. I got decided to spend not that much money on them since I am gonna change the rims off them, but these tires are made of the company Falcon, and these are the cheaper brand of them, so it's good for now until I replace the stock wheels on it. Change old, new. It's actually one of the better tires. This is the front tires of the car, but it's already pretty much done. New rubber. That was burnt out. The tires are 235/40. When I upgraded to 45/40, they actually got a little bit taller and a little bit wider. So it's actually gonna help with the gap that the car has. A little mini gap from the lowering springs. Should be cool new upgrade. Video soon also. Repainting these, the complete caliper in bright red. Probably change all the disc also, the disc and the pads. They still have some life to it, but we're gonna go drill slotted on these and the back ones also. So that should be in the next video, hopefully.
blanquísimo. Y yo digo, me voy de aquí. Me voy de aquí. No, uno disparando y como dos más al lado de él así, no me cuadró mucho. Yo dije, con la vara, yo con pistolita de juguete y lo demás con el 15. Y no te dejan disparar en ráfaga, ¿no?
On, still lifted, but look at that. Just getting balanced. That killed the gap. Came out really good. Happy with the results. Cars getting aligned. There she is, guys. New tires set on. They look great. She's sitting very good, very good. Really happy with the results. And again, this is where I came. Asked for Steven or Alex. Tell them Antonio with the white Camry sent you, and they'll take care of you. Alright guys, so wow, big difference on the tires. It feels way more comfy, and the car is driving straight. So I could say today is a mission complete. 4 new tires changed, and comment down below on what you think we should do for this car next. Should we do the rotors and the calipers, or should we do an exhaust? I was really looking into MagnaFlow, which sounds really good on my on the 4 cylinders. So just comment down below, let me know what you guys think and would like to see, and we can make that happen. Once again, thank you to our supporters at YouTube, on Instagram, Facebook, and be on the lookout because we're gonna have some merch coming soon. So once again, thank you guys for watching the channel. I appreciate all you guys, and until the next one.